It's always easy to point out the problems, but what's difficult is to actually have a solution to the problem as well as have people pay attention to what you're saying. That is what the 550 Youth Forum is about, giving you a platform where you can share your ideas and your vision about the Tibetan freedom movement.
There we had fruitful discussions, not just at the conference table, but also during our hikes and social events, and also during Gorshe.
페미딕줄로야 샵주슈야 오분데 슈에기 야데 슝데기 딩자 약쇼디 나당압주고 손존딩에 통고도 나오
It was a great platform for us Tibetans to connect with youth from all other different parts of the world and discuss on issues facing Tibet's future.
It was a great reminder of the shared responsibility that each and every single one of us have to work towards the same goal.
The topics and the speakers were very engaging. There were a lot of social interaction and fun activities. So I've also met a lot of friends across the globe. Therefore, I would highly recommend for future participants to participate in such a forum.
The question is not whether the mantle will be passed on. The question is whether you will be ready to take up the responsibility when it is passed on. And I think 550 prepares you for that.
Last year's 550 Youth Conference was a success. This year we want to make it a greater success. Hence, invite youth from all over the world to come to Dharamsala to discuss what should we do in 5 years and 50 years, in short and long term, to make Tibetan cause a stronger cause and to connect with Tibetan inside Tibet and how to solve the issue of Tibet based on middle way approach. This and other issues will be discussed. Please come with your suggestions, with your criticism, with your ideas and vision to Dharamsala in the month of August.
If you want to be a participant for the 550 Youth Forum 2019, don't forget to register online through an announcement made on the page Tibettv.net. This is the forum where together we can work for the future road of Tibet.